Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. If you're experiencing this on your computer and you're sure that your internet is currently working on other devices, so it's not an issue with your box or your internet remote or your internet router, then you want to go ahead and try these steps that I'm about to share with you on your PC or laptop. So if you're in a Windows 11 PC, just simply right click on the Windows icon here and click on Settings. Inside Settings, go ahead and click on Network and Internet on the left side. Scroll down towards the bottom and you will find Advanced Network Setting. Click on that. Again, scroll down and you will find under More Settings, Network Reset. Click on that. Then from here, you'll find Network Reset. Just simple click on Reset Now, reset your internet, and you want to go ahead and try this again. If you're still having issues, just quickly restart your PC and try to see if the issue is fixed and you're able to connect to your internet. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.